lovelies, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique? This episode is going to be multicolored episode with different kind of fabrics which we are going to show you. And the first one is this super net woven sarees. These are all, and the surprise is the pallu, and pallu part is so beautiful in this. See the saree. And the saree full this way, and this is the kalamkari pallu part, and this is the blouse part. The speciality of the saree, it's a very lightweight saree and very easy and comfortable to wear, and it listens to you a lot. It's more or less like a cottonish kind of stuff, but still it will not stand out from your body. It will just flow this way. This is the most speciality of the saree, and right from morning till night you can wear it. You can office wear, work from home, or if you want to go anywhere outside, just like that you can tie the saree. It's very comfortable as such. Alright, and the second color is this. This is the pallu part. I really wanted to show the pallu because the pallu is so pretty in this. So the saree is this. It's a geometrical design with this pallu part. Nice and fine, very decent for conferences, for clinical wears, professors, lecturers, teachers, my lovely wonderful teachers. Everybody can wear the saree because like they frequently move around everywhere, so that it will be very comfortable. And this is the pallu part for this. Alright, and then comes this. It's a brown honey color saree. So the saree is this. See, this is the saree, and then let me show the pallu. Pallus are all pretty beautiful pallus. Alright. So this is how the saree look, and then the blouse is this honey color, maroonish honey color. The color is a shaded one. And then comes our super net kotas. See this. So the speciality of the saree is it's very easy maintenance. You do not starch it, and it will not crush as well. And this is a laria type, so you have borders on both the sides. And then what is the pallu part is this, and then the blouse is a jacquard blouse. So as I said, for professionalists, these sarees are the best sarees because like easy maintenance sarees these are all, and it's slim fit as well. See, lovely beautiful colors I have in larias. So these are the three beautiful colors, and very lightweight saree as well. When you tie the saree, you will feel like whether I have worn the saree or not, like that. Alright, then the next comes this. So, see this. Let me open the pallu and the saree completely so you can understand better. So this is the saree. The weight of the saree is really lightweight, and alright. So the pallu portion is over here. So this is the pallu part for this. Alright, see. So this is the pallu part, and then comes the blouse part. It's a vertical lined. Gives you a jacquard look, kind of. And then what's next? One more color is this. It's a pink color. This is the pink color saree, and the pallu is this. Such a nice, beautiful pallu. What's next? Next is the same fabric, but the colors are entirely different. Let me open this. Red is also good in this, and I definitely wanted to show you the kalamkari pallu portion. Whoever love to flaunt the saree, you can go for this because the pallu is a kalamkari pallu, and I have got red color in this, and once again it's a blue color with different print. It's all printed saree. And then comes this. It's a half chanderi saree. More of economical ranges these are all. Let me check the range. What is the range of the saree? Is 1800. And it's a half chanderi saree with all over ikat digital printing. And then this is the pallu part and the blouse. Let me show you. So this is the ikat pallu part. It's a ikat printed ones, and this is the blouse for this. And I've got nice beautiful colors. It's a Bengal gram green color. It's a bluey green color saree. Lovely it is. All are pretty beautiful collections. The color combinations are absolutely yours. Then comes our tissue by Kota saree. This is so nice, decent saree. See this. So as I said before, these sarees will listen to you a lot. Right from the morning till evening you can wear the saree. So this is how the saree look. You have zaris on both the sides, and followed by that is a kalamkari. And this is the pallu part for the saree. And I have got nice beautiful colors in this. See, this is a brown color, brownish pink color, and this is something really a different color. So these two colors we have. And what's next? See, this is a super net Kota cotton saree, alright, with value added. What is that value added? I'll just show you. So these are all the embroidery portions over here, and the value added is the mix and match blouses which we have made, and the colors are 1 and 2 color yellow. And let me show the blouse for this, that it will be very easy to, you guys can understand that. So this is the blouse for this. It's a cotton blouse. Then comes this super net Kota cotton, see, with a value added works on it. So you can find minute katha works on the flowers. So this is the pallu part. So the saree is really lightweight and very comfortable to wear. And the blouse is this. It's a striped blouse, cotton striped blouse. Alright, and then see this. Once again, these are all half products, so that the maintenance is really easy, and you can wear the saree right from morning till night. Let me open the saree this way. This is once again, it's a half chanderi product, and this is the pallu part for this. It's katha work done, and this is a checked blouse. Alright, and then this is a patchwork super net Kota cotton. Sarees are pretty beautiful sarees. According to your taste, colors, you can go for it. And this is a contrast matching blouse. And then comes our silk cotton saree with ikat printed. This is the saree, and then this is the pallu part for this, and this is the blouse part for this. And then once again, it's a silk cotton. The speciality of the saree, as I said, is the pallu patterns. Let me open the pallu. Alright, see this nice beautiful figure design pallu, and then this is the printed blouse. So these are all like silk cottons, very comfortable to wear. Ganga Jamna border as well. And then my last saree in Kota is this, with a Getty cherry border on both the sides, something traditional. And as I said, these sarees are very comfortable for you guys to wear at your workplace as well. And this is a contrast matching blouse. Alright. And the final saree is the same as I am wearing. It's a half chanderi saree, lightweight as well. So I have got 3 beautiful colors in that. The second color is this, and the last color is this pink color. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. If you have any doubts, 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us, or straight away you can log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com and place your orders. Thank you so much. We'll be back soon with a lot of beautiful collections.